Hello guys, and happy Easter Sunday, and I hope that you're all keeping safe wherever you are, whether you celebrate Easter or not, but I'm hoping you have a lovely day. Guys, today on the menu I will be cooking brown stewed lamb with broad bean, and I'll be doing mackerel with coconut cream. So I'll be doing coconut mackerel. It's kind of a rundown-ish, but not really a rundown in Jamaica, where you cook the coconut and the fish until it boils all the way down. No, this is not how I'm doing it. So I'm doing curry, but it's not gonna be boiled all the way right down like a rundown. So I'm gonna add coconut cream to my onions and my tomato. I have onions, bell peppers, spring onions, and thyme, garlic, and my powdered seasoning. So that will be on the menu for today. So guys, stay tuned and watch as I prepare this Easter Sunday meal of brown stewed lamb and fish cooked in coconut milk. So we're gonna do mackerel cooked in coconut milk with a bit of lemon. You know, fish have to go with lemon. So stay tuned guys and watch me as I go. Guys, you know my rice always nice and shelly. Yes, we don't like when our rice is soft and soggy. We like when the rice is the shells countable. So at the moment now I'm just cooking all the vegetables and stuff together, the onions, the carrot as well. I have carrot inside, onion, carrots, bell peppers, red, green, yellow, and I'm just cooking it with a small amount of oil. But I'll be adding, I'll be adding some butter to it as well. So I use less oil and more butter. So I think I'm just getting the butter from the fridge so that I'll be able to add the butter to cooked with the onion and the other veg that I have in the pot. So bear with me guys, I am just getting the onions. These videos are raw, unedited, and uncut. It's raw and uncut. So I'm just getting the butter from the fridge, which I will be adding. Oh, not butter, seasoning. I'm getting some. Oh, sorry guys, I was getting powdered seasoning from the cupboard. I was just getting some powdered seasoning from the cupboard that I'll be adding into my pot. Yeah, so I'm adding a season of your choice. Whatever season it is that you use to cook your fish, you can use it. It doesn't have to necessarily be mine. This is just my way of doing it. I'm not telling you that this is how the official signs say it must be done. No, this is my way of doing it, just like how you're gonna have your way of cooking mackerel. So today I decided to cook down some mackerel into coconut cream, and alongside that we'll also be doing brown stewed lamb with baked beans and rice and peas. So guys, stay tuned and come along this journey with me as I cook this Easter meal. Guys, remember to like, share, and subscribe. Any questions, leave it in the comment section and I will get back to you. So stay tuned guys, and thanks for watching. Welcome back again, guys, and it's me again. Just to let you know, I'm just adding the coconut cream. It comes in a block. This is not melted, it comes in a block, so I'm just putting it into small pieces and I'm gonna let it cook in that sauce until it's ready before I add the fish. So the sauce, I'm trying to get the sauce to where it's almost finished before I add the fish, because I don't want the fish to be cooking too long, because then it's gonna be broken up and I don't want the fish to, I just want the fish to remain solid. So I'm trying to get all this out the way first, make sure that my gravy, my sauce, whatever it is that you call it, make sure it's nice and ready before I add the mackerel in. So after adding the mackerel, it's not gonna stay too long on the cooker anymore, because you know that fish doesn't take too long to cook. So I'm just getting the sauce ready, so that's the process for the fish will be easier and it won't be in the pot for too long, which is gonna cause the fish to be broken into pieces. So that's what I just did. I just add the coconut cream and then I'm gonna cover the pot and let that cook and simmer down for a bit. Bubble patter bubble. Guys, if it's know how this smells nice, it smells really nice. Just not because I'm here cook it, but yes, it smells good. Bubble patter bubble. So guys, I just added the coconut cream and I'm gonna let that cover the pot. I'm adding some more water because obviously we need enough gravy. And remember, it's not soup you're cooking, guys, so you don't need to fill up the pot of water, because then it's gonna turn in a fish. It probably turn in a fish soup. I don't know, but that's not what I'm going for. So I don't want to have too much water in the sauce, because I don't want it to be too runny and them kind of way. I want it to have a nice creamy consistency. So yes, I'm just adding a bit more water, enough so that the fish, when I put the fish in it, it will be submerged. And yes, so guys, stay tuned and continue watching and see how it goes. See you later. Continue watching, guys. Before I go, guys, remember to like, share and subscribe. It doesn't cost anything to press the subscribe button. It's not gonna affect your data. It's not gonna charge you. So please and thank you, can you give the video a like and can you subscribe? And if you have any questions, drop them down below in the comment section. So that's the fish, that's the mackerel that I did, season it up and thing, and add a little curry on it. So the mackerel is gonna be added to the pot, to the sauce that is cooking. Okay, and I will catch you in a bit.